Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday the 1st of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. There wasn't much data releases, and really we only had from Canada GDP numbers, and they came in at 0.5%, slightly above the forecast, but it actually did not move the currency too much. If anything, the Canadian dollar lost a little bit of ground against the US. The major talking point yesterday all came out of Europe. Pound went a little bit crazy as we had pre-election polls coming in, and through the Asian session they were saying that it was favouring against the current Prime Minister May, and then later in the session it swung around to the other side. So we saw a topsy-turvy day from the GBP. Also the Euro had a very, very strong day yesterday, particularly against the Australian dollar. And consequently our Euro-Canadian trade that we took yesterday hit full target. So, but that's pretty much all that happened yesterday. We have a much bigger session about to occur today, but before we get there, let's have a look at our chart of the day. Today's chart of the day is the Euro New Zealand, and it allows me to talk about a very interesting point. And the point is trade what you see. I've been receiving a lot of emails about what I think about the Euro, what's it going to do. Yesterday we went long Euro CAD for the chart of the day. We hit full targets. Today again we have a really nice on the Euro New Zealand engulfing candle, very, very similar to yesterday's chart, but of course a different currency pair. We can see we're in an uptrend. Doesn't matter what I think, doesn't matter what we think, trade what we see, and that's the only message I can say. So if we trade what we see, we're seeing a really nice engulfing candle in an uptrend. We don't know when the trend's going to end until it stops and we get it wrong, but until then, trade what you see. Today's chart is the Euro New Zealand daily. Okay, let's move on and have a look at what's about to unfold. We have a busier session today. We start off at 11:30 locally. We have retail sales from Australia and private capital expenditure. At 6:30 tonight, we have PMI numbers from the UK. 10:15 we have non-farm employment change. This is not non-farm payrolls, that's tomorrow, but this is the change. Also unemployment claims at 10:30. At midnight we have manufacturing PMI from the US, and to finish out the session at 1 o'clock in the morning we have crude oil inventory. So any CAD traders, look out for that one. That's pretty much the session. Of course all these times are in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Time. As always guys, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.